In the modern age of smart homes, controlling the temperature across multiple rooms of your house has never been easier. If you're struggling with hot spots and cold spots in your home, this Google Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen offers a simple yet powerful solution. This small device works seamlessly with Google Nest Learning Thermostats 3rd and 4th Gen and the Nest Thermostat E to optimize the temperature in specific rooms and zones, ensuring maximum comfort throughout your home. Click the link below to learn more about the Google Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen and discover how it can enhance your home's comfort today. Why choose the Google Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen? The Google Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen is not just another gadget. It's an intelligent solution designed to enhance your home's comfort by providing customized temperature control. Here's why it stands out. Number 1. Perfect for hot and cold spots. One of the most common complaints homeowners have is inconsistent temperatures throughout their homes. Whether it's a cold room that never warms up properly or a sunny spot that gets too hot, the Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen offers a solution. By placing these sensors in different rooms, you can directly address these problem areas and ensure that each space is maintained at the ideal temperature. Number 2. Seamless integration with your Nest thermostat. The Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen works exclusively with the Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd and 4th Gen and Nest Thermostat E. Once the sensor is connected, it will send real-time temperature data to your thermostat, allowing it to make automatic adjustments for each room. This creates a more efficient and comfortable home environment. Whether you're cooling a bedroom at night or heating your living room during the day, the system does it all for you. Number 3. Simple setup and control via Google Home or Nest app. Setting up the Google Nest Temperature Sensor couldn't be easier. The sensor is battery-powered, up to 3 years of battery life, and requires minimal installation effort. Simply place it on a shelf or wall in any room, and you're ready to go. Control everything via the Google Home or Nest app, where you can customize schedules and make adjustments from anywhere. Number 4. Long battery life for hassle-free operation. Another fantastic feature of the Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen is its long-lasting battery. You won't need to worry about constantly changing batteries. The sensor runs on a CR2 lithium battery that can last for up to 3 years. Simply install it and forget about it until it's time for a battery replacement. Number 5. Customizable temperature control across multiple rooms. You're not limited to just one sensor. With the Google Nest Temperature Sensor, you can add up to 6 sensors throughout your home. This gives you complete control over the temperature in different rooms, ensuring everyone in the family can enjoy their preferred climate. Whether you want a cool, dark bedroom or a warm living room, the Nest sensor lets you create the perfect environment. Number 6. Sleek, compact, and discreet design. The Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen features a sleek and simple design that blends in seamlessly with any room's decor. It's compact enough to fit discreetly on a shelf, wall, or even in a corner without drawing attention to itself. Its neutral color and understated aesthetic ensure it complements the modern design of most smart homes. Number 7. Enhanced comfort and energy efficiency. By ensuring that the temperature in your home is consistently set to your preferred levels, the Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen helps to optimize energy consumption. No more running the heat in rooms that don't need it or cooling rooms that are empty. This leads to reduced energy bills and a more efficient home climate. Number 8. A smart addition to your home automation system. As part of the Google Nest ecosystem, the Nest Temperature Sensor integrates effortlessly with other smart home devices. It's the perfect way to further expand the capabilities of your Nest thermostat, giving you full control over your home's climate. Whether you're setting up a Google Home or integrating it with Alexa, the Nest Temperature Sensor fits perfectly into any connected home. Should you get the Google Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen? If you're someone who values home comfort, energy savings, and modern technology, then the Google Nest Temperature Sensor 2nd Gen is an essential addition to your smart home. With its easy installation, long battery life, and advanced customization options, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to improve their home's climate control. The sensor works seamlessly with your Nest thermostat to create an environment that suits your needs, helping you stay comfortable while keeping energy costs in check. Plus, the ability to place up to 6 sensors throughout your home means that everyone can enjoy their perfect temperature, no matter where they are. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.